Good morning, students. Now discuss spontaneously and randomness, the unit of entropy. Okay, the entropy is equal to heat energy exchange divided by the temperature at which the exchange takes place. Therefore, the SI unit of entropy is joule per Kelvin. Okay, the SI unit of joule per Kelvin. Okay, this is the entropy of the SI unit, joule per Kelvin. Okay, the spontaneity and randomness. So the careful examination so that in each of the process wise, the melting of ice and evaporation of vapor, there is an increase in randomness or disorder of the system. The water molecules in ice are arranged in highly organized system. Okay, the organized system crystal of the highly organized crystal the pattern with permits little movements. So this is the crystalline solid ice metal. Okay, so the ice melts, the water molecules becomes, so the disorganized and can move more freely. Okay, so the movement of molecules becomes free in the liquid phase and even more free in the vapor phase. Okay, so in other words we can say that the randomness of the water molecules, the increasing as ice melts into water or water vapors. So the both are spontaneous process which result in increases in randomness entropy. Okay, the next one discuss, this is the standard entropy changes del S naught. So it is possible to calculate the actual entropy of a substance at any temperature above 0 Kelvin. So the absolute entropy of a substance at 298 Kelvin and one more pressure is called the standard entropy. The standard entropy means this one del S naught. Okay, so the del S naught, the reactions, the entropies of different substance, we can calculate as standard entropy changes. So del S or not for chemical reactions. So this is the standard entropy of changes. Okay, the next one discuss the standard entropy of formation. Okay, this is the standard entropy of formation. So formation. So it is donated the entropy of formations of 1 mole of a compound from the elements understand the solution conditions. Okay, it is the donated as del S F naught. This is the standard entropy of formation. The entropy of formation of 1 mole of a compound from the element under the standard condition. This is the entropy of formation. So it is donated as del S naught, del F naught. Okay, so we can calculate the value of entropy of a given compound from the values S naught of elements. Okay, see this problem. See this. Okay, see this problem. They calculate the standard entropy, the change for the following reaction del F naught. The del S F naught means the formation. Okay, the given the standard entropy of CO2 gases, so carbon and oxygen gas. So the follow this values 213.6 and 5.740 and 205 kilojoule per Kelvin. So they respectively carbon to oxygen, they added the carbon monoxide. So the carbon, the reaction to oxygen, this is the carbon monoxide. So the LS R naught is equal to S product minus S naught reactant. So the product minus reactant, the product, this is one CO2. Okay, the reactant means CO2. So the standard formation of entropy is equal to S naught CO2 and minus the S naught reactant. So the del S R is equal to CO2 naught minus the carbon added the carbon dioxide. Okay, so the del S R naught is equal to 213.6 minus 5.74 plus added the 205. So the added 210.74. Next, the del S R naught value. So the 213.6, so the minus value 2.86 joule per Kelvin. This is the standard entropy. Okay, the standard entropy of the changes value del S R naught value. Okay, the next one discuss the entropy changes occupying change of phases. Occupying the change of the phases. This is the entropy of fusions. This reactions, this formula del S equal to QRV by T is equal to QH reversible by T. So the Q by T means the thermodynamic second law formula del S equal to Q by T. Okay, so the entropy changes of phases, the three phases. Okay, they converted the when there is a changes of state from solid to liquid and liquid to vapor or solid to vapor. This is the sublimation. Okay, this is the change in entropy. This change may be carried out at a constant temperature. The reversibly as two phases are of equilibrium. So during the changes, the del is equal to Q ReV by T. Okay, so the entropy of fusions. The next one discuss this one, the entropy of fusions. The definitions of entropy of fusions. The 1 mole of a solid metals at its melt point, the reversibly is called molar heat of fusions. This is the entropy of fusion. Okay, so the entropy of fusions is this formula del S fusion is equal to del H fusion divided by TF. The del H fusion means the molar heat of fusion. So there is the del F means the melting point. Melting point 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. They converted the melting point. So the entropy of vaporization, next one discuss. So the 1 mole of the liquid is boiled at its boiling point. The reversibly is called molar heat of vaporization. So this formula del S V is equal to del H V divided by Tp. So the del S V means vaporization. So the del H V means molar heat of vaporization. The enthalpy of molar heat of vaporization. So the del V means boiling point. Okay, this is the entropy of vaporization. The next one discuss the entropy of transition. Okay, the entropy of transition. Next one discuss the entropy of transition. This one, the 1 mole of a solid change the reversibly from one allotropes from to another allotropes transition. This is called temperature. Is called enthalpy of transition. Okay, the allotropes from another and its transition temperature. So is called enthalpy of transition. So this formula, see this. This is the formula. See this formula, del S T is equal to del H T divided by Tt. So the del S T means the entropy of transition and del H T means molar heat of transition and Tt means temperature, transition temperature. Okay, they solved this one problem. So calculate the entropy changes during the melting of 1 mole of ice into water at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 1 atmosphere. So the enthalpy of fusions of ice is 6008 joule per mole. So the converted the vaporization, the liquid stage. Okay, the melting stage. This is the fusion. Okay, this is the melting of 1 mole of ice. So the entropy of fusions formula. So del H is equal to del S fusion is equal to del H fusion divided by TF. So the del H fusion is equal to 6008 joule per mole. So the TF is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. They converted the Kelvin value 273 Kelvin. So the H2O molecules solid state they converted the liquid state. So 273 Kelvin. Solid state they converted the liquid state. So 273 Kelvin. So the del S fusion is equal to del H fusion divided by TF. The value substitution 6008 divided by 2073. Okay, so the del S fusion is equal to 22.007 joule per Kelvin per mole. Okay, this is the fusion value, the entropy of fusion's value. Okay, the entropy of fusion's value. Okay, thank you.